Hello and welcome again. In this lecture, we will fix the execution of our Veritas cluster related commands from anywhere within our terminal. If you noticed, we have to go to the bin directory or provide an absolute path to the command if we want to run a command. For example, here under the bin directory, we can check the HA status by executing ./HA status -sum. But if in case you're somewhere else in the directory tree, you cannot execute this command. If I try to execute, I will get an error. It says the command does not exist or the directory does not exist. In order to fix this problem, we will add the absolute path of the bin directory under our bash_profile file. So we will do vi, and then in the root directory we have dot bash_profile file. Here you can see we have a path variable exported. Path variable is what finds out the executables at given paths. In here we will type I in the insert mode. We know that the VCS related commands are under opt directory and then Vertias VCS subdirectory. So I will type that path in here. After the bin, type a colon and then the directory. So opt Verts capital VCS, then we had the bin directory. In the future, we will be using commands related to Veritas disk volume manager. So we will add that path now as well. So that path is under opt Verts and then the bin folder. Once you have added this, press escape, :WQ and then enter. Now you can relog back into your shell to make sure the execution of those commands are in effect, or you can source this file by typing source and the path of the file. So bash_profile. If we type HA status now, we should be able to run VCS related commands from anywhere within our server. You can copy the same bash_profile to other server as well if needed.